Here, I find solitude. But I'm never alone. Following the trails we've all created, nature reveals itself. The glee of the hummingbird, the clarity of the breeze across the prairie, the ambition of the trees rising toward the sky. For 50 years, Indian Creek Nature Center has led the way to showcase the charming place that is Earth, our home. The dreamer of dreams, we are dreams come true. From 120 acres of farmland in 1973 to now. Look out upon our works and celebrate. Open to everyone, inviting you to experience the living theater that performs across the trails, woodlands, wetlands, and prairies. Years well spent, charting a course over shared ground, championing a cause that surrounds us all, creating a place for nature to thrive, excite, and reveal new wonders. And in the process, kindling curiosity, connecting with one another, and discovering more about ourselves. With every smile, with every exclamation of joy, with every expression of awe, a connection is made. Here, we find solidarity and are empowered to forge ahead, honoring our past while envisioning our future. And we know our work is never done. Our eyes are fixed on the horizon. We commit to continue leading because this land still needs us. To wander, learn, protect, and support. To grow, educate, heal, and uplift. We are here to show the way because for 50 years, our mission has remained simple yet profound. To serve as stewards and advocates, nurturing these roots for those yet to come.
Here I find solitude, but I am never alone. I look forward to a new path where we will leave a trail.